The 2018 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.